In this video, I will explain the advanced options in the proposal configuration of Project Insight. The first checkbox here, always keep proposal as a child of the project affiliation. This really only matters if you're using the folders add-on, as hierarchy doesn't really matter unless you're using that add-on. When you check this box though, what happens is the proposal will be moved from wherever it is in a location as into a child of the project. You don't really need this though, because there's still an affiliation between the project and the proposal. That link will never be broken. This is just kind of an advanced nuance for folder hierarchy when you're using the folder add-on. The second option, enable proposal manager, that will add a new system role called proposal manager, and that gives anyone who has that option rights to manage all proposals in the system. The next option here is a custom header, so you can put your own header on top of any proposal. This is an HTML editor, so they can be fancy. And then the last one here is default terms and conditions. If you turn on the terms and conditions field on the proposal itself, then you can have a default terms and conditions that you put into the configuration, and it will automatically get added to any new proposal that is made from then on. Those are the advanced options for the proposal.